Hello everyone, I am Professor Nilesh Namburu. In the previous session, we learned the introduction of marketing research and some features of marketing research. In previous lecture, we also learned what is the importance or what is the key role of marketing research in various type of problems. If there is the problem, how we can solve or how we can process to solve the problems. So today we learn the role of marketing research and what is the importance of marketing research. So in this figure, we see the what is the role of marketing research: description, evaluation, explanation, prediction, aids in decision making. These are the 5 roles of marketing research. We explain one by one role in next slide. So what is the description? So the purpose of marketing research is to provide the management with relevant, accurate, reliable, value, and up-to-date market information, a competitive marketing environment, and the ever-increasing cost attributed to poor decision making require that the market research provides sound information. Sound decisions are not based on gut feeling, intuition, or even pure judgment. So, first role of marketing research is the description. Market research gives full description about consumers. It describes their age, sex, education, income level, etc. We collect the demographic information of the customers. It also gives a description about the competitors and market situation. Based on this demographic information, we see what is the trend or what is the nature of the given data. So, second one is the evaluation. Is the second role of marketing research. That is the evaluation. So, marketing research helps to evaluate the company's performance. It helps to evaluate the company's production and marketing policies. It finds out the customer reaction to qualify of the product, price, packaging, advertising, sales, and promotion techniques, etc. So, third role of marketing research is the explanation. So, marketing research gives the explanation or answers for all the marketing problems. For any kind of marketing problems, we observe that we can need to give the explanation why these problems is occur. For example, it answers in the detail why are the sales falling, why are the retailers are giving the negative reactions, and how we can solve or how we can explain these the problems by using the data collection. We can collect the data of the consumers, why they are giving, or retailers why they are giving the negative reaction or negative feedback of our product, and based on this data or facts and findings, we can decide the strategy to improve our product. Next role of marketing research is the prediction. Marketing research also gives next, that is the prediction. So marketing research also gives the prediction. Prediction means to forecast or the guess about the future. It gives the prediction about the future sales, future market opportunities, future risks, future marketing environment, future consumer behavior, etc. By using the trend analysis, we need the 4 to 5 years backdated or current data, and we can predict or forecast the sales of next 3 to 4 years by using the trend analysis. There is a some statistical trends, that is a linear trend, polynomial trend, longitudinal trend, exponential trend. What types of trend we observe in our data? Then based on this trend equation, we can predict the future trend, future risks, future opportunities, future sales, or future consumer behavior. So next is aid in decision making. So also marketing research helps the marketing manager to take decisions. It provides all the concern data which is the necessary to take decision making, means to select a course of action from 2 or more alternatives. Also, every organization at one of point of the time experience a situation where critical decision need to be taken. In such a scenario, having incomplete and uh, detailed information about the competitors, market, and overall industry enables a business to take an appropriate and perfect decision, aiding in the overall success of the business. Possessing incomplete or irrelevant market information will result in a losses for the organization, thus negatively affecting the business in the process. So decision making is the important role in the marketing research. So now we discuss what is the importance of the marketing research. uh, there is the stages or process of the importance of the marketing research. It provides the valuable data, studies consumer behavior, select promotional techniques, supplies marketing information, evaluates marketing performance, and miscellaneous needs and importance. These are the key parameters of the importance of the marketing research. So now we discuss the importance of marketing research. Today, it's nearly impossible to efficiently sell a product or service without having conducted a market research. The importance of market research is that a business company gains a suite of solutions for developing business processes, increasingly increasing profit, improving company's performance, investigating competitors, and getting more satisfied customers. Planning and conducting marketing research is one of the key duties of marketing department and terms. For your company, it is also important to organize regular market research to get insight into the market investigate spending habit of your customers, identify existing and potential competitors, develop solutions for product promotion and advertising, increase your company's recognition, improve your business reputation, and so on. So there is no doubt about the importance of the market research. To prove this statement, let's view why you should research markets. So first one is the provide valuable data. So market research provides the valuable data to the decision makers. It provides data about demand, supply, consumer behavior, competition, etc. This data issue for the decision making. This data improves the quality of the decisions, and it also makes the decision very successful. It means that the in the market research first data plays the very vital and important role. If we have the data, based on this data, we can take more important decisions or marketing decisions. Next one is the next importance of marketing research is the studies consumer behavior. So marketing research provides data about the consumer behavior. It provides the data about age, sex, income, likes, dislikes, etc. of the consumers. It's also find out the opinion of the consumers about the company's product. This data is used to make production and marketing policy. It means that in the consumer behavior, if we know that what is the consumer's behavior related to our product, then we can strategize our production and our design our marketing policies according to that. It means that we need to collect the data of the consumer related to consumer behavior of the our product. So next one is the select promotional techniques. Also, marketing research helps the company to select the suitable sales promotion technique. It helps to select marketing techniques. It helps to select proper media for advertisement. It helps to solve the problems of after sales service. It also helps to prepare the budget for advertising and sales promotion. In the selecting promotional technique, here we can select the proper, which is very effective technique, effective promotional technique for sales. This we can identify this effective promotional technique by using the survey or observation method techniques. So next one is the supplies marketing information. So marketing research supplies data about the market situation, This market related data is used to find out the present and future demand and supply position, and how we can forecast or identify the present and future demand and supply position based on the trend analysis. This is one of the forecasting technique of the statistic. We can apply this regression technique on your current data, and we can analyze the present and future demand and supply position of our product. Next one is the level of competition and steps taken to the control it. Also market opportunities, the cause of fall in sales level. Based on the survey and some observation method, this the data collection technique. After collecting the data, we can easily know that what is the cause of the fall in the sales level, and based on this fact and figures, we can design our strategy to increase our sales level. Next one is evaluates marketing performance. So marketing research helps the company to evaluate its marketing performance and to take steps to improve the marketing research. Marketing research is used to find out the effect of price, package, brand, brand name, etc. Based on marketing concept, the most important elements evaluating marketing performance is the marketing matrix. Basically, marketing matrices are numeric data that allows marketers to evaluate their performance against the organizational goals. Marketing matrices are different elements of measurement, including net sales, bill, number of products, or design registrations and brand surveys to measure the brand awareness. Therefore, by monitoring and analyzing marketing performance matrices, brands can increase their competitive intelligence, assess their market strength and weaknesses, and makes calculated budgetary decisions across the marketing needs. Last one importance is the miscellaneous needs and importance. So marketing research improves the efficiency of marketing departments. It will be create the goodwill and good reputation of the company. The most important task of the marketer is to get the right product at the right place with the right person. Besides, it was also necessary to go back and find whether consumer is getting optimum satisfaction so that consumer remains loyal. These aspects made it imperative for the marketers to conduct the market research. So today's session is over. In next session, we will discuss the limitations of marketing research and some other concepts which is related to the market research. Thank you very much. Thanks for the